My name is Gary Gist. I'm president of Gist Silversmiths. I've been a team roper for 64 years. There's many ropings and rodeos that I look back on now. I guess my most favorite roping was the BFI. I actually got to participate in the first year, 1977. That first BFI was a roping that I'll remember for the rest of my life. Score was long, 35-foot score. The cattle were strong, probably averaged 600 pounds. Of course, that big arena at Chowchilla was probably 300 foot wide and 500 foot long. In the early 70s, I moved up to the Bay Area in Oakland, and I remember I met a guy named Ron Hogenstead. Ron introduced me to Bob Feist. Bob and I became close friends, and I think I roped with Bob a few times in the early days. Bob came and asked me if I'd make the buckles for the BFI, and fortunately I got to make them. Did my best and give him something new, and that's when they first started getting a little more fancier, and I think that was one of the buckles in the early years that everybody wanted to win. Best roping to watch in the world, better than any. Congratulations to the BFI on their 40th anniversary.